Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Wednesday, October 4th. Time is around 6:30 GMT and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Oanda platform. So, the current move is actually a good reminder to the fact that everything is possible in financial markets. Yesterday, I told you I was not really expecting that we would take out this low here because it looked like the other indices were finishing their correction, and yeah, it would be a bit unlikely to have a drop of 3%. And so actually we are doing this now. So yeah, you always have to stay focused. Everything that seems unlikely can happen, and this is what we see now. However, this does not really this does not really influence the trading decisions or whatsoever, because this here, in any case, this was not an area to go long. What we do have to do is that yeah, we have to update our count, and so as you can see, there are two scenarios on the charts. Just like yesterday, I do not really favor one or the other. I think both are equally valid, although we are getting quite close to this low here. So we will probably take it out. But yeah, everything is possible in financial markets. It can also be that we hold this low, of course. And if we hold this low, then I would say here we have the A, B, C down. That could mean the end of wave Y, and that could mean the end of wave 4. However, if we do take out this low here, then yeah, the scenario in red will become my primary scenario. And then it looks like we had a wave A down here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Then I would go for a shallow wave B. So a wave B that did not reach the 0.5 FIB retracement. This is not really according to the guidelines, but in a very bearish market, this happens, that the retracements are shallow. So we did not reach the 0.5 FIB retracement, but that's okay, I believe. And then what should follow is a wave C to the downside, again in 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if this turns out, then we would actually reach the area that we should reach. Like if this is a WXY correction, then we know that the wave Y should end in the area that we can find by taking the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X. And then here the wave Y should end into the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. Now, then what do we have? Then the wave W played out as a WXY. The wave X played out as an ABC. And then here the wave Y is playing out as another ABC structure. And so if this was our wave B high, then if we take the length of the wave A, the length of the wave B, then here the wave C area becomes this area here, the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. So here there's a nice overlap with the wave Y area. This wave C area is also situated in the wave 4 area. So this all makes sense for the moment. So yeah, we have to see, do we hold this low or not? It looks like we will break, and then we just then I will just switch the scenario in red to the scenario in green. Like I said yesterday, I do not really favor one of the scenarios. There was just a chance that it was finished here, but it did not had to finish. I mean, we still did not reach this area. We are still in the wave 4 area. There is still space in the wave 4 area. In the daily and in the weekly, we are clearly bearish, so it would not be that exceptional to expect more downside. So here in the daily, we are still in this downward cycle. Also in the weekly, here we clearly have a bearish cycle. So if we look at the lower time frame, yeah, there's not much more to add, I believe. It all depends here. If we take out this low, okay, then like we can, if we take out this low, you could still make a case for this scenario here, the 3, 4, 5. But yeah, like I said yesterday, it simply looks like this is a new cycle from here. Like this has nothing to do anymore with this. So if we take out the low, I would favor the scenario in red here instead of the scenario here with the 3, the 4, and the 5 down. And so then this C wave, this becomes the target then, and what we need to see then is again 5 waves down, which will look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into this area. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.